The Presidential Communications Operations Office have taken to further improve service to the public. The details from Ana Perez.
Unity embodies successful leadership, and so we must know the steps towards public service. National agencies have formed a strengthened bond through the mandate of the Presidential Commission Operations Office on Public Information and Transparency in Government Projects. Proof to this is the monthly department accomplishment reports of each agency, spearheaded by the People's Television Network, Intercontinental Broadcasting Corporation, Philippine Information Agency, Philippine Broadcasting Service, Bureau of Communications Services, News and Information Bureau, National Printing Office, and the Presidential Broadcast Staff, or RTVM. Workshops were also held to reinforce the directive on the International Organization for Standardization and the Philippine Quality Award.
The thrust of our Secretary Sani Coloma now is also to let our attached agencies and PICO proper be aware of what this one is, and maybe we could jumpstart with the different processes.
The seminar zeroed on customer satisfaction and employee productivity.
In doing this, it will be very good for government agencies to ISO certify their processes so that the delivery of basic services and all kinds of government services shall be satisfactory to customers and to the general public. And in this way also, the productivity of employees is improved.
The accomplishments of the Aquino administration or the Philippine Development Plan were also discussed, including its current application in the lives of the Filipinos and government measures towards inclusive growth.
Importante talaga na nagkakaisa yung lahat ng ahensya. Yun yung, in fact, panawagan ng PDP. Kailangan natin ng convergence. Kailangan, kung ito yung sinasabi natin, kailangan tutukan na sektor, kailangan tutukan ng mga locations, geographic areas. So sana yung ating mga programa magkaka-link o magkakatugma yung mga programa delivered dito sa mga priority sectors nito.